The Sukhoi Su-30 MKI has long been the pride of the Indian Air Force, a symbol of strength, agility, and air dominance. But in 2026, this legendary fighter has been reborn with massive upgrades in power, avionics, radar, and weapon systems. The 2026 new Sukhoi Su-30 MKI represents India's next step in advanced air combat capability, an aircraft built not just to defend, but to dominate. Design and aerodynamics, a new edge in the sky. At first glance, the upgraded Su-30 MKI maintains its familiar twin-seat, twin-engine design. But look closer, and you'll notice refined aerodynamics, composite materials, and a reduced radar cross-section for improved stealth. The airframe is now 15% lighter, enhancing speed and maneuverability. The aircraft features new radar-absorbent coating, redesigned air intakes, and infrared signature reduction systems, giving it a serious stealth edge over previous models. Avionics and cockpit, next-generation intelligence. The 2026 version comes equipped with a completely digital glass cockpit, featuring advanced multi-function touch displays and AI-assisted flight systems. The aircraft's integrated modular avionics (EMA) architecture allows faster data processing and real-time situational awareness. The cockpit interface supports augmented reality (AR) helmets, helping pilots target and engage enemies with precision. With voice command capability and AI co-pilot assistance, the Su-30 MKI has entered the smart combat age. Radar and sensors, seeing the invisible. The N011M BARS radar has been replaced by the UTOM AESA radar, an Indian-developed system offering 3D tracking of up to 50 targets simultaneously. This radar provides longer detection ranges and improved resistance to jamming. Complementing it are infrared search and track (IRST) systems, electronic warfare pods, and advanced missile approach warning sensors, making the new Su-30 MKI almost impossible to surprise in battle. Engines and performance. More power, less fuel. Powering the 2026 Su-30 MKI are the new Alabama 41F-1S afterburning turbofan engines, borrowed from the Su-35 platform. These engines deliver increased thrust, better fuel efficiency, and supercruise capability, flying at supersonic speeds without afterburners. With a top speed of Mach 2.3 and a combat range exceeding 1,500 kilometers, the aircraft can strike deep into enemy territory without refueling. Weapons and combat capability, built for modern warfare. This fighter is an absolute powerhouse in weapons. The upgraded variant can carry over 8,000 kilograms of payload, including Astra Mk2 and Mk3 air-to-air missiles, Indian-made, long-range BrahMos NG supersonic cruise missile for precision strike missions, R-77 and R-73 missiles for short and medium-range air combat, smart glide bombs and laser-guided munitions. Additionally, the Su-30 MKI 2026 now integrates network-centric warfare capability, meaning it can share data in real time with other fighters, drones, and ground systems, creating a synchronized combat ecosystem. Defense and survivability. Smarter, tougher, deadlier. The aircraft's new electronic warfare (EU) suite, co-developed with DRDO, includes active jamming pods, radar warning receivers, and countermeasure dispensers.